If you're a creator, designer, or business owner, this tool is about to change the way you create forever. Imagine designing product shots, posters, even full campaign without Photoshop, without a camera, without a team. All you need is a single prompt, because what you're seeing right now, every image on screen, was created with AI inside CapCut, and this isn't just image generation, it's your entire creative workflow powered by AI design. Before we jump in, let's start from the very beginning. If you don't already have CapCut, just head over to CapCut.com. Right here on the homepage, you can click download to get the desktop app. Once you're in, this is the dashboard you'll see. On the left hand side, there's a new section called AI Design. This is where everything happens. Click on it and it'll take you straight into CapCut's brand new creative workspace for AI powered design. Here, you can start designing in a chat style interface. Simply type your idea or upload an image to style it. At the top, you'll see the input bar where you can enter your prompt, and below that, an inspiration section filled with ready-made templates like product poster set, Instagram post set, outfit swap, and YouTube thumbnails. It's intuitive, fast, and built for creators who want high-quality visuals in seconds. You get 10 free uses per day, and it's available right now on both desktop and web. And here's what makes it even more powerful. AI design is powered by Nano Banana and Seedream 4, two of the most advanced models for realistic and consistent image generation. Let's create a poster. For this one, I want to make a food menu poster, something bold, modern, and perfect for social media. I'll quickly type the prompt right here, and let's see what CapCut creates. Once we hit send, you'll see the chat panel open on the right side. This is where CapCut's AI starts building your design brief. It understands your prompt, breaks it down, and generates a visual concept automatically. And just a few seconds later, here's our result. A stunning poster that looks like it was made by a professional designer. But we can go even further. Let's make a quick edit directly here in the chat. I'll type, change the background color of the Order Now button to orange so it matches perfectly with the overall design. And just like that, the button color updates instantly. You can also refine things manually if you want. For example, I'll edit the text here. Instead of just menu, I'll make it say burger menu. Everything is editable, flexible, and fast, all in one place. Now let's try creating a poster using an image. This time, instead of generating everything from scratch, I'll upload a photo of a cold coffee and let CapCut's AI design build the entire layout around it. I'll quickly type in my description, basically telling it to design a modern promotional poster for a premium cold coffee ad with pricing, discount badge, and all the key details, and let's hit send. As soon as I do, CapCut starts analyzing the image and generates a design brief. That's the part where it plans the layout, colors, and typography before producing the final visual. And here it is, our finished poster. It looks absolutely stunning. Clean, commercial, and perfectly styled for a cafe or food brand. The composition feels balanced, the splash effect around the cup looks dynamic, and all the text elements fit beautifully into the design. Now, let's create something more editorial, a magazine-style fashion poster using CapCut's model image feature inside AI design. I'll upload two photos, one of the model and another showing the outfit, heels, and accessories. Then, I'll ask CapCut to dress the model in a black gown, add the necklace, and build a realistic studio-style composition, just like a fashion cover. I'll also include an instruction to place elegant text that says "New Collection" on the image. Let's run it and see how it looks. And here's the result. Absolutely stunning. The outfit fits naturally, the lighting feels like a real studio shoot, and the new collection title gives it that polished magazine cover look. Everything blends perfectly, from the accessories to the color tones. It genuinely looks like something you'd see in a luxury brand campaign. Now, let's try something completely different. I'm going to turn myself into an AI figurine using CapCut's AI design. This feature creates collectible 3D style figures based on your image. just like professional studio figurines you'd see from brands like Bandai. I'll upload my photo, type a quick description, asking CapCut to create a realistic figurine version of me standing in front of a computer desk, and let's hit generate. And here's the result. This looks insane. A realistic figurine version standing on a clear acrylic base, surrounded by the computer setup and packaging box, all perfectly detailed. The textures, lighting, and proportions look like a real physical model. Now, let's finish the AI design section with something cinematic. We'll create a cozy product image, a close-up of a candle designed for the holidays. I'll run my prompt here, describing the candle in detail, warm lighting, soft background, and festive elements. And let's generate it. Here's the result. I think it looks perfect. A clean, professional product photo, exactly like what you'd see in a Christmas ad. Now let's take this even further. We'll switch to CapCut's AI video section. This is where you can animate any still image and turn it into a cinematic CGI clip. You can choose from the newest AI video models like VO3, Runway, Seedance, and so on. The duration, usually between 5 to 10 seconds, and set your resolution depending on the platform you're creating for. I'll upload our candle image here, type a short prompt asking for a subtle cinematic effect where the hands move slightly and the candle flame flickers softly, and let's generate the video. And here's what we get. A smooth, realistic CGI animation. Everything looks natural. The motion, the flame, the atmosphere. CapCut just turned a single AI-generated image into a cinematic product ad in seconds. Now that we've seen how AI design can create stunning visuals and product images, let's move on to the next part. AI UGC videos. This is where CapCut takes things to another level, because now you can create full, shoppable UGC-style videos without cameras, actors, or editing software. Think of it as creating your own AI influencers, digital personalities that can talk, showcase products, and promote your brand completely through AI. Using tools like AI Dialogue Scene, you can bring any static image to life, make your characters talk, react, or even sing, all with natural lip sync and facial expressions. Now, let's create a UGC-style video ad, the kind of short, natural-looking clip you see on social media. To do that, we'll start in AI design, just like before. I'll quickly generate an image of a woman holding a perfume bottle, clean, elegant, and perfect for a fragrance ad. I'll upload two images, one of the model and one of the perfume, and combine them using a simple prompt. Within seconds, CapCut generates a beautifully composed shot, the model holding the perfume with perfect lighting, soft colors, and a clean, modern aesthetic. It looks exactly like a professional product photo from a luxury fragrance campaign. Once that's ready, we'll move over to the AI dialogue scene to bring this image to life. You can find this feature in two ways, either from the More Tools section or directly from CapCut's dashboard under AI Media. It's also accessible through the AI Avatar section, where you'll find hundreds of ready-made avatars you can instantly use for your projects. You can choose any avatar that fits your brand or style, from professional presenters to lifestyle creators, and once you've made your choice, simply click Next. Then just type the line you want your avatar to say, and CapCut will instantly generate a talking video for you, complete with natural lip sync, expressions, and voice delivery. But in our case, we already have our own avatar, the one we just created in AI design. So we'll select the AI dialogue scene, upload our image, and then type the line that we want our avatar to say. For this example, I'll write something simple, like experience the elegance of scent, introducing our new fragrance, Blossom Veil. A touch of grace in every note. Next, we can choose a voice. CapCut offers a wide variety of AI voices, both male and female, and you can filter them by tone, language, or emotion. For this one, I'll go with a soft, elegant voice called Jane, which fits perfectly with the tone of a perfume ad.
Experience the elegance of scent. Introducing our new fragrance.
Once everything is set, we'll click Generate Video, and within seconds, CapCut will create a realistic talking UGC ad, complete with natural lip sync and facial expressions.
Experience the elegance of scent. Introducing our new fragrance, Blossom Veil. A touch of grace in every note.
And that's it. A full video ad created from a single image with no camera, no microphone, and no editing needed. Now that our UGC ad is ready, let's take it one step further and make it global. We'll use CapCut's Video Translator, a tool that instantly translates your video into other languages while keeping everything perfectly in sync. You can find it again under More Tools, or go to the CapCut dashboard, open AI Avatars, and select Video Translator from there. Once inside, we simply upload our video, in this case, our perfume ad, choose the target language, and hit Translate. Within seconds, CapCut automatically generates a new version of your video, complete with translated voiceovers and perfectly matched lip movements.
Découvrez l'élégance du parfum. Présentant notre nouvelle fragrance, Blossom Veil. Une touche de grâce dans chaque note.
And here's the result. It looks flawless, the voice sounds natural, the lips move exactly in sync, and everything feels like it was originally filmed in that language. This feature is an absolute game changer. You can now translate your UGC videos into 29 different languages, expand your reach to global markets, and do it all without reshooting or re-recording a single scene. Now, let's move on to another powerful AI feature inside CapCut AI Fashion Model. This tool allows you to create high-quality, lifelike fashion visuals in just seconds, whether you're generating a model from scratch, dressing an existing one, or uploading your own photo for a virtual try-on. It's designed to help creators, stylists, and e-commerce brands produce professional fashion content instantly without a camera or a physical photo shoot. To access it, we simply click on AI Fashion Model under More Tools. Once we click, it opens up a completely new window designed specifically for creating and customizing models. Inside this window, we have three main options: upload clothing and place it on ready-made models, generate your own model with AI, or upload a real person's photo for a virtual try-on. For now, I'm going to start by uploading the clothing I want to showcase. Once the clothing image is uploaded, the next step is to select a model from the huge variety available. As you can see, there are tons of different styles, genders, and looks to choose from. You simply click on the one you like, hit generate, and within moments you get a perfectly rendered image of the model wearing your uploaded clothing. It's incredibly realistic and looks like it came straight from a professional fashion photo shoot. And of course, if you like the result, you can easily save the image to use anywhere you want. But it gets even better, you can actually create your own model entirely with AI. Let's try that now. I'll click on the AI option, then press this button here to open the prompt window. For this example, I'll describe the exact model I want: elegant, confident, with a natural pose and soft studio lighting. I'll set the resolution to 3:4 for the best fashion model proportions and hit generate. In just a few seconds, CapCut gives me 4 different variations of my AI-generated model. I can choose whichever one I like best and then use that exact model with my uploaded clothing. And here it is, the exact same model, wearing the exact same clothing I uploaded earlier, but generated entirely through AI. This makes it perfect for product mockups, online store previews, and marketing visuals, all without needing a physical photo shoot. Now let's try the third option, where instead of using a recommended model or generating one with AI, we can upload our own model image. This is perfect if you already have a specific person in mind, maybe yourself, a client, or a brand ambassador, and want to see exactly how a piece of clothing will look on them without doing a real photo shoot. So, I'll start by clicking the Upload Model Image option and selecting the photo I want to use. Once it's uploaded, it appears right here in my model list. I'll simply click on it to select it and then hit Generate. In just a few seconds, CapCut processes the image and applies the clothing we uploaded earlier directly onto our model. And here's the result, our exact custom model, now wearing the exact same clothing we prepared. Actually, I believe this feature could be a real game changer for small business owners who need quick, high-quality marketing images for Amazon listings, Shopify stores, or brand websites. Instead of organizing a photo shoot with models, photographers, and editors, they can simply upload their clothing photos and instantly get professional-looking visuals in just a few clicks. Another exciting use case is for personal styling and virtual try-ons. Imagine uploading your own photo and testing how different outfits look on you before buying, or creating styled looks for social media without ever stepping into a studio. It's fast, cost-effective, and opens up endless creative opportunities, whether for e-commerce, personal branding, or just for fun. And what makes this feature stand out is how seamlessly it fits into the rest of CapCut's AI ecosystem. It's available on both desktop and web, free to use, and built for speed, precision, and professional results. Powered by advanced AI models, it delivers lifelike textures, perfect lighting, and clean compositions that are ready for campaigns, catalogs, or social content. And that's it. We've just explored some of the most powerful AI features inside CapCut. From AI design, where we created stunning posters, product shots, and model images, to AI UGC videos, where we brought those visuals to life using dialogue scene and even translated them into 29 different languages with Video Translator. And finally, we saw how the AI fashion model feature can generate professional fashion visuals in just seconds. Perfect for brands, creators, and anyone who wants studio quality results without the studio. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming tutorials. And I'd love to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comments which CapCut AI feature impressed you the most, or which one you're planning to try first. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.